This is class 3rd computer, and today we will discuss lesson 3rd more with Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processor program that helps us to work with text. It provides us different kinds of tools to create and format different text document. Now here we will going to discuss how to insert text in a document. When we want to add text in between a line, then we can insert text by following the given steps. First, we have to open the document. In that, we want to insert text. Now, click at a place in between the line where we want to insert text. When we click in between the line, a cursor will appear there. Now, we have to type the text from the keyboard and press space bar key to give proper space after each word. As shown here in this text, Microsoft is inserted in between the line. If we want to add text at the end of the line, then simply we click there and cursor will shown, and from there we start typing our text. Next topic is change case. Changing text case enable us to represent the text in different ways. It can be used for heading, subheading, or for a tagline. There are 5 types of text case as discussed here. The first one is sentence case as shown in the video. The text appear in sentence case. In this case, the first word of a sentence is capital and rest are small. Next is lowercase. In lowercase, all the text written will be in small letters. Uppercase. In uppercase, all the text will be in capital letters. Capitalize each word. In this format, each word of a line, the first word of the first alphabet of a word is capital and rest are small. Toggle case. Toggle case is just opposite of capitalize each word. Means here the first word means what toggle case is the opposite of any case. If we select lower case and we change it to the toggle case, then all the text will be in uppercase. If we select capitalize each word and change it to the toggle case, then the first alphabet of each word will be in small letter and rest are in capital letter. Toggle case means the opposite of any of the above 4 cases. Whatever case we select, if we change it to toggle case, then the text will be in opposite case. If they are in lower case, they will be converted to upper case. If they are in upper case, converted into lower case. If they are in sentence case, then the first alphabet of the first word will be in small and rest are in capital. If they are in toggle case, then the first word of each alphabet is small and rest words are in capital. Now, to change the case of our text, the first step we have to click on home tab as shown in video. After that, we click on change case drop down arrow that is shown by AA, is capital A and small a letter. We click on that drop down arrow. When we click on drop down arrow, a menu will appear that shown here, change case option, with marked with change case option. There we find sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word and toggle case. Now from there, whatever case we want, we have to select from there. Like here, uppercase is selected, so all the text will be in uppercase, means all the text are in capital letters. Now this is about how we insert a text and how we change the case of our text. Thank you.